Backyard wildlife. Bears. What are bears? Bears are large, furry animals. Most bears have black or brown fur. What bears can do? Bears can stand up on their back legs. They can walk like people. Bears have big paws. Their paws help them paddle through water. Bear paws have sharp claws. Claws help some bears climb trees. Many bears rub their backs on trees. They leave their scent behind to keep other bears away. What bears eat? Bears eat berries, nuts, grass, insects, and meat. Some bears eat honey. Some bears hunt for fish in water. Where bears live. Most bears live in forests. Bears sometimes come near towns or homes to look for food. Bears hibernate in dens in the winter. They come out in spring to look for food. Time to hunt.